Hi guys, it's Miss Wills here and I thought we'd look at some Roman numerals. So, just to recap for those of you who aren't quite sure, we'll go right from the beginning. So this is 1, just a straight line. 2, you just double that 1, 2 straight lines. 3, you'd have 3 lots of the straight lines, 3 ones. We're going to miss out 4 and go straight to 5. Now 5 is a V shape for 5, and if you want 4 you would have the 5 and you would put your one next door to the left of it, because if a smaller number is to the left you take that number away from the number on the right. So 5 take away this 1 makes 4. So that is your 4 and what it looks like. If you have your number and the smaller number goes to the right, you add it. So to the left you subtract it, to the right you add it. So 5 add the 1 on the right is 6. This is 6. 7 would be 5, the 1, which makes 6, and another 1 to make 7. So 5, 6, 7. 8 is really similar, adding another 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 we're going to leave out for a minute. If we go to 10, you can see it is an X. And if you look carefully, you can see the V-shaped 5 at the top, and it's upside down there. So 2 lots of 5 make the 10. So, like I said before, if you want to get a smaller number, you have your smaller number to the left. 10, take away 1 on the left, makes 9. So, from the start we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you were to do 20, it would be double 10. 2 lots of 10, 2 crosses to make 20. If you wanted to do 21, you would take your 10 and put your 1 next door. That would be 11. If you wanted to do 21, you'd have your 20, your 2 10s, and the 1 next door. Now there are some other Roman numerals as well. So the next one up is 50, which is an L shape. 50 is L. It's just something you'll have to learn. If you wanted to know what 100 is, it would be a C shape, which I will show you now with the matchsticks. And the reason it is C for 100, if you think of how many years are in 100 years, it's 100, and we call that a century. Century starts with a C and it's to do with 100 years. Or how many centimetres are in a metre? There are 100, so that cent, C-E-N-T, for century and centimetres, reminds us of 100. Similarly, if you want to know what 1,000 is, it would be M. And the way to remember M is because mille is the French word and it's from the Latin, so it helps us know, just like we know in maths, that there are 1,000 millimetres in a metre, or 1,000 millilitres in a litre. So milli means 1,000, so in Roman numerals M is 1,000. So if we wanted to show 2,000, we'd just double that. So that would be our 2,000, our 1,000 plus another 1,000. So have a little play around and see if you can do some yourselves.